Hello and welcome to this video, in which we will explain the latest updates to AI Content Labs. Paraphrasing. We now have the ability to paraphrase text using the same style as WordTune. To do this, you must have your AI21 Labs API key configured. Simply select the text and choose the paraphrase option. You can choose from the available paraphrase types. This function paraphrases groups of text up to a maximum of 500 characters and generates 10 different options to choose from. This limit is associated with the model used for the paraphrase. You can move on to the following paragraphs and modify them as needed. Rewrite. We also have the possibility to rewrite the selected text in the document editor, paragraph by paragraph, using a specific tone of voice, with just a few clicks. This option allows you to rewrite up to 20,000 characters, and to use it you must have your OpenAI API key configured. You can change the tone of voice and choose the result that best suits your needs. You can also rewrite using a shortcode, which we will see later. Summarize. In the document editor, you can also summarize a text of up to 50,000 characters using your AI21 Labs or OpenAI API. To do this, simply select the text to summarize and a tone of voice. The general tone of voice is the only one that works with the AI21 Labs API. The other tones of voice work with OpenAI. The summarize option is also available through a shortcode. Generations produced when paraphrasing, rewriting and summarizing are not saved in the history and remain within the document editor. Be sure to save the results you like best. In addition, all these commands will take the translation settings you have defined in the editor. Shortcodes. We have also added a new feature called Shortcodes in the document editor. These allow you to automate text generation to a new level. For example, Shortcodes are written in square brackets and have different parameters, just like a shortcode in WordPress. Currently, we have the following shortcodes available. Command allows you to execute a command or instruction. To do this, you must enter the instruction in the prompt attribute. By default, the command will not take into account the content behind. However, you can add the parameter lookback equals true to take into account up to 4,000 characters behind. At the moment, this shortcode only works with OpenAI. Rewrite allows you to rewrite all the text behind. You can add a custom tone of voice in the tone parameter. Summarize allows you to summarize the text behind. You can add a custom tone of voice in the tone parameter. Flow. This command allows you to execute an AI flow. To do this, you must enter its ID and the inputs that compose it. The best way to add a shortcode for a flow is to use the template mode. There you will find a button to add a shortcode based on the text you have entered. Template. This command allows you to execute a template. In the same way as the flow, you can add it to the editor more easily using the templates mode. Image. Create images quickly by entering the prompts. By default, this shortcode is executed using OpenAI's DAL, but you can switch to Stable Diffusion using the provider equals stability parameter. With shortcodes, you have a new way to automate the generation of high-quality content and get more personalized results in a simpler way. Note, it is important to take into account the speed limit of the OpenAI API if you use a free account. If you use many shortcodes at the same time, you can quickly exhaust OpenAI's 20 calls per minute limit. For paid accounts, this should not be a problem. Format your text. If you use 3 asterisks within your content during the creation process to separate your texts, or your templates or streams generate text in Markdown, you can quickly format them using the Quick Format button. We suggest that you indicate in your prompts that the output should be in Markdown format to speed up the formatting of the text. Multiple prompts for stable diffusion. You can send multiple prompts to Dream Studio with different weights. To use multiple prompts, separate the prompts with an pipe symbol and add weights after the prompts with a colon symbol and then numeric values. For example, we will use the following prompt: Parrot in the jungle, 1.0 blue and yellow, 1.0 river, -1.0. In this way, we are indicating to generate the image with 3 prompts. The first 2 have a weight of 1 and the last one has a negative weight, so that concept will be excluded from the image negative prompt. The weights can be values between plus or minus 10. Values outside that range will be automatically adjusted to the nearest limit. Note, use 2 pipes at the start of your prompt to disable multiprompting. We are confident that these updates will take your content creation to the next level. Let us know which feature you like best and how we can make it even better.